Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to English language on Amazon if you have mistakenly switched it to different language. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your web browser and go to Amazon website. As you can see, my Amazon is in different language. So to change it back to English, simply click on profile icon at the top left corner. Now here on this page, you can see Saudi Arabia like flag on the bottom here. Click on it. Now you can see the drop down menu. Click on it. Now choose the flag of your country or region you want to change language to. For example, I'll choose United States. Now you can see a yellowish button at the bottom. Click on it and you've successfully switched your language to English. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.